again, he's probably going to try it to the right and see if he can lose some traction.
All the test is actually a lot scarier than it looks. Let your truck do the work.
Yep, all the way to the left is good. Keep the center berm is going to be on the passenger side tires. Looks perfect. Keep going. Keep to the left. A little bit passenger, just for your camber. There you go.
Shit, I can't actually see now.
I'm alright.
Alright.
Okay, come on back anytime. Wait, was it something we drove? You guys are badass.
What is that about? ATV?
Back next year, you'll be ready.
What, this?
Yeah, this giant circular pit.
It's just
Your
a
truck will be
bit,
more
I
paid for.
guess.
It's for what?
I think it's just a fun place for the bikes to hang out.
Oh, I guess.
So,
We'll be looking for a first gen or a second gen soon.
this is bad. I might back out, but it doesn't look too bad yet. Let's do this. Not moving fast right now.
So it seems like Sunny kind of started the group, huh?
I think it was Steven, I think.
Oh, okay.
Not
She's
quite.
just really good at spotting.
Yeah. So let me take a double take at this. It's kind of hard to see.
I think I heard main trail is to the right, so you go left. Yeah, I think that was the plan. Main trail's to the left, when you see that bulb. It's kind of nice being semi-flat land right now.
Come on, belt pretensioner. I need to see, damn it. Let me look further ahead, please. Come on. A little bit of metal scrape. Probably the bumper. Yeah.
Go ahead, Sonny. Right.
Too fast.
Go ahead, Sonny.
That's a lovely sound.
Yeah.
Get used to it.
Tough plants. I don't like being eaten, so
That's a nice size ball.
they're
Eaten or beaten.
yeah.
I think the Jeep will fit in there. Oh yeah. The tent just fits. I think it's pretty off camera. I think the trail's on to the left. Yeah, I think so. Are you guys all gonna do the bowl?
Dirk here. I took the trail to the right and fit okay.
Oh, well then we need to turn around. Yeah, main trail's to the left, lights to the right. We'll give other people a chance to play. So there's nothing fun off to the right except the
It's not hard, but it's probably, I think it's more fun than the left side.
Oh yeah, there's the other lake. Sorry, not gonna distract you.
No, keep going.
Just there's the other lake.
Yeah.
There's a few really easy ones. I don't know if I'm happy or if I'm still scared. Scared is good. You want to be able to keep that feeling on the long freeway home.
Did you want me to hold up the radio or it doesn't matter?
Please. I was gonna say, but I don't think I'm really getting through, so to hell with it. Okay.
Main trail is a little bit rutted going down compared to last year, so not as good for speed racing. Heads up if you're coming right to the bowl, there are obstacles. To the right of the bowl, there's some obstacles. Okay, let me see if I can turn around, come back.
Double take.
I don't know if you can come back. There's a lot of trucks coming down with you.
Alright, I'm going on the
Okay,
right.
the only thing I'm wondering about is that I haven't seen where that road meets the and I may have separated myself from you guys for a long time. The main road, or is it going to go off toward the water? It comes back to the Yeah, it comes back. I'm looking at the maps right now.
Come on, go passenger, go passenger. Don't destroy my mirror. Alright.
There will be some.
Come on! Belt pretensioner.
Go to the right. That's
Really
pretty
pisses
crazy.
me off sometimes.
It'll get you on 3. Couple of tight switches kind of piss me off. Didn't let anyone down today. Me too. It was going to be a very uncomfortable conversation, but I was going to have it. See dirt, so I must be near where the two roads merge.
You could respond, tell him the trail to the right wasn't terrible.
The trail to the right wasn't terrible.
And I would actually make a note, anybody, for next time, go on that one, because the main road to the left is very, very, very rocky, and with no real point to it. The main road probably more difficult than that one. Thank you, I feel better now, but it
It's
wasn't.
a nice rock.
I don't know what he's doing.
Uh-oh. So the place where I'm assuming Dirk is gonna come out, it's extremely narrow. You won't be liking the paint. I'm gonna go in on foot and see. Aren't we glad we didn't go through there?
Dang.
I was really hoping you wouldn't stop right there.
It
Yeah.
gets a little narrow up ahead, but I'm not scratching.
Now does that mean it's stuck or he just happens
He
to
just
be
wants
in
to
a...
take photos.
Gotcha.
It's just, that's why.
Yeah.
I was just hoping it wouldn't be right there. Alright, come on, man.
Andre, are we the only ones that came right?
He wanted
Oh,
this
get
photo.
back in.
Yeah. and-
I don't know. Okay, I see the white Toyota with the black on top. the end of the trail where it merges. There's just one spot up here
man.
ahead that has thick enough.
Let's go. Keep moving. You already destroyed your bumper, so.
Right.
It was really inconvenient that he did that.
There's an obstacle over here towards the left here, Sonny.
Yeah, okay, I'm going driver, whether I want to or
I'm
not.
following first gen. I think first gen Paul is who you should follow. I'm just waiting. Ma'am, right behind him. Go ahead. Stop and play, but we're just watching them see if they get paint scratched, and they're doing okay.
And tell him, yeah, your paint's getting scratched.
Yeah, your paint's getting scratched.
Oh, there's a fun one up here, Sonny. You'll love this one. I bought my truck with paint scratched, so I don't care.
What the hell are you doing, guy?
A little
Move.
tiny bit of paint left, so I don't care at
Go
all.
forward. Go forward.
It's a nice rig.